So we are going to crawl all the subdomains from the main website. So to start, you need to have this subdomain.txt file. So do not worry about this. I will be providing this txt file in description below, so that it will be helpful for you to practice the extract you to practice this part, you to practice these sessions. So in order to start, we need to import two commands. So first one is request modules, and second one is beautiful soup. So so okay, beautiful soup is not necessary. I sorry, so extremely sorry. You need to import request module. So simply import request and subdomain.txt file. You need to open the subdomain.txt file, and to that I simply write the request, and I will pass a parameter as a URL. And so I simply write try and return request dot get dot http plus URL, and I will accept, or I will catch the error using exceptions, using try accept. So accept the request dot connections dot request dot exceptions dot connection error. So pass, I simply passed it, and I will target one of the domain. So I simply write google.com, and so we need to open this txt file in our this demo.py file. So with open, you need to have a folder structure subdomains the txt, and I simply write read and as file. So with can catch all the exceptions while opening this file. Sometimes your file does not exist and it shows errors like file directory does not exist. So in order to handle that error, this with can accept, we can use we can help to avoid that error. So with open subdomain txt files file, so I want to loop. So I simply write from line in file, and I write word equals to line dot strip. So it will remove the white space from characters. So it will helps to remove if I have this print so hello, then there is a white space between this hello character. So in order to avoid in order to eradicate this white space, you need to use the strip method. So strip, then I simply write test URL, then word plus target URL. So I simply write response, and I simply write request dot test underscore URL. So if response, and I simply write so subdomains exist. So if I format this underscore this test URL, and if I run, so name error response is not defined. So I simply forget to write and in response. So in order to run this, you need to type F5. So here invalid URL request.10. So if request.test URL, I think it will have to run line word, it will remove the white space, test URL equals to word the target URL, the response. Okay. So request the resource format. If response, request the test URL. Let me it. Okay, here you can see subdomain www.google.com, the exist app www.google.com, blog.com, adbeta.com. So we successfully extract all the subdomains from the main site. So as we simply um, import this request module, then we simply make the method request, and we simply write one of our target goes to google.com with no upon subdomain the txt file, and we simply loop for each iterations, and word equals to line that strip. We simply remove the white space from the characters using the strip method. Text the URL, word, target, response, and if response happen, if response done, then it will simply print the subdomains that are present in our this txt file. So I will understand this well. Thank you.